in 10 common sentences mean by use some of the human letter. Okay, number one, I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Translated. Number two, he is hungry. He is hungry but clean by. Number three, she is talkative in the class. She is talkative in the class. Nhưng là gì? Sorry, cái lại đó. Nhưng là gì? Sao anh chỉ kê là cái nông thân ạ? Riêng. Chứ mình nhưng là gì thì cứ lại nó cứ nhưng là gì sao là con thân riêng. Number four, he is arrogant. He is arrogant. Có cả tôm. Number five, we are always friendly. We are always friendly. Bùi dưỡng tay ta rô rì rẽ tiệt. Number six, they are always late for class. They are always late for class. Bộ kế tay ta màu riêng chữ. Number seven, he is lazy in the morning. He is lazy in the morning. But kill the paper. Number eight, she is charming. She is charming. Nhưng vô bình đòi muốn snái. Number nine, he is good looking. He is good looking. Còn mơ tới sẵn hả? Hay có good looking cứ mà nâng handsome nha có sẵn hả? He is good looking. Number 10, his girlfriend is really attractive. His girlfriend is really attractive. Mất rồi họบอกก่อนเปิดจิตเตะตีแมนแตน Ok chứแต่ต้องchúng mình 10 common sentences cứ miền tầm nắng bà miền cầm ho cho cô lại ná xong chia sẻ đó số bỏ cuốn